sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
All right, FuzzPy guy here. I'm going to show you an issue that you might come across after you have LightShowPi installed on a Pi 4, for example. So I'm logged in SSH into the Pi, and I'm in the LightShowPi directory. Now I'm just going to run the following command here just to try to see if my relays come on. And as you can see, we get this error message about wiringPi. So we're going to fix that. So we are going to CD into the PY directory, and if we do an ls, we're going to focus on the hardware controller file. So we're going to do a sudo nano h tab to fill the rest in, hit enter. Then we're just going to scroll down a little bit here until we get to this line right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove this line, and we're going to type in true with a capital T, and it should turn pink. After that, we're going to do a Control X, Y, and enter. And we'll just clear that. Then we'll just hit the up arrow, and we're going to try this again. Oh, I need to back up a directory. Try this again. All right, now they're on. We have no issue. So let's turn them off. There we go. That should fix your problem if you ever come across that issue. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one. Don't forget, hit the like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.